In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an excerpt added to your website in WordPress. Adding an excerpt is a great way to give your visitors a brief and engaging preview of your content, helping them decide what to read next. This feature can make your pages look cleaner and more organized, and it's especially useful if you want to highlight specific content on your homepage or blog feed. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add and customize excerpts for your WordPress site in just a few easy steps. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start managing your website today. Alright, let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official WordPress website by typing in www.wordpress.com. Once the page loads, take a look at the top right corner. You'll see the login button there. Go ahead and click on it. This step is essential because it allows you to access your WordPress account and start making changes to your website. Once you're on the login screen, select the Continue with Google option. This method is not only quick, but also simplifies authentication by using your existing Google credentials. Now, if you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to choose the one that's connected to your WordPress website. This ensures you're logging into the right account to manage your site. After successfully logging in, you'll land on the WordPress dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this interface. It's essentially the control center for your website. You'll find all the tools and settings you need to customize and update your site here. Next, head over to the Quick Links section on the dashboard. Look for the Edit Site button and click on it. This will take you directly into the editing environment where you can make changes to your website. Once you're in the editing mode, keep your eyes on the top left corner of the interface there. You'll find a plus icon. Click on that and a menu will appear showing all the components you can add to your page. This is where you can start customizing your content. Now in the menu that pops up, you'll see a search bar. Type the word excerpt into the search bar. This will help you filter through the options and display the excerpt feature specifically. It's much faster than scrolling through the entire list, and it ensures you find exactly what you're looking for. When you see the excerpt feature in the results, click on it to add it to your page. This step allows you to include a concise summary of the content on your website, which can make your pages more engaging and visually appealing. Once the excerpt feature is added, you'll see a field where you can enter your desired content. This is the space where you'll write your summary. Keep in mind, the excerpt should be both concise and informative. The goal is to give visitors a quick snapshot of what the page or post is about, so make it clear and enticing to encourage them to explore further. After entering your content, take a moment to review the changes you've made to the page. This is your chance to double-check that everything looks good and is functioning as expected. Finally, look towards the top right corner of the screen and locate the Save button. Click on it to secure all the modifications you've made. This step updates your website with the new excerpt, ensuring that your visitors can now see the changes live. And that's how you add an excerpt to your website in WordPress. With just a few simple steps, you've learned how to create a clean and engaging summary for your content. If you have any questions or tips about using WordPress, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.